equation. We're talking about, spending here. When are we going to have the revenue numbers or a real good fix on the revenue numbers?
At the next meeting, we'll have the revenue numbers. If we do the same thing that we did last year, and I don't know if we're going to discuss this tonight, but our next meeting, we listed the budget to be discussed at our regular council meetings. So we'll list it. We'll have the revenue numbers. Every year we've provided those revenue numbers around the time that we get ready to introduce the budget. But we will have those numbers very shortly. We'll have
the reason I ask is that people, I think some people, maybe not in the room tonight, but I know that some people are a little confused about the difference between appropriations and the tax rate and how much we actually have to raise in taxes. And I think that before, we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, because we're not going to know what the tax rate is, which is what the bottom line is in everybody's pocket, what's going to happen to the tax rate until we're done with revenue as well.
Yeah. I think that, I tried to make it clear when I made my first presentation in presenting the budget that the information that I'm providing and that I'm preparing on December 26th, or that I've been preparing since we started working on it in October, and I finally get it into a package to deliver to the council on December 26th, is preliminary information. We're way ahead of what other towns are doing. The council has a budget in their hand the year before, and a long time before the budget's even due. Statutorily, it's something like January 15th. I'm supposed to have it to the council or beyond. But we try to get ahead of the process so we do not have a complete picture. Now, some question has come up about the appropriations, the revenue numbers, and all these different things. And I will say this. It's possible to spend more and the tax levy not go up at all. So, I tried to keep it to, this is the spending increase. Okay, just because we're spending more,
That's what I wanted to point out.
Just because we're spending more does not necessarily mean that the levy is going to go up a like amount. It depends on how much revenue we are anticipating and targeting. So this is a process, and we all have to wait and let the process play out and let all the numbers come in. It takes time.
Anything else?
Thank you, Mr. Mayor.